Big oil is stealing our summers. Time spent outside, swimming, clear blue skies. These are the parts of summer that I love the most. But in recent years, so many of us have seen a sharp rise in floods and wildfires and other extreme weather events during the summer months. Days are often so smoky where I live that my son can't safely play outside. And in so many other parts of the country, it's too hot to even go a few minutes without AC. We're stuck indoors when all we want to do is go outside. I'm pretty upset about this, and you should be too. Here's why. For decades, the oil and gas industry has known that the continued use of their products would devastate our summers. They employed entire teams of scientists to model different climate scenarios and understand what the world would look like if they kept doing business as usual. And what these scientists found was terrifying. Catastrophic is one word they used. But instead of making changes to avoid catastrophe, the fossil fuel industry launched a massive campaign to hide the science from us. They spent astronomical amounts of money to deceive the public, the media, and lawmakers about how their products were fueling climate change, and delay the transition to cleaner, safer forms of energy. Big oil companies are still lying to us, saying things like they're aiming to become a net zero emissions energy business and are a leader in the energy transition. Meanwhile, the data shows that big oil is actually ramping up fossil fuel investments, which, just so we're clear, will make our summers and so many other things that we love that much hotter, smokier, and generally less nice. The bottom line is, lying about the safety of your company's products isn't legal. The law is definitely on our side for this one, which is why dozens of local and state governments around the country are suing major oil and gas companies to hold them accountable and make them pay for the damage that they're causing. Because summer is awesome and it's worth fighting for.